Hello, guys. Welcome back once again to Cloud Genius. My name is Penty Joseph. In this video, we will be looking at how to host a website on Amazon EC2 instance. So, first of all, to host a website, we will have to create a security group that will allow us to SSH into the instance and also allow traffic coming from the internet to reach our server. So, I'm first going to create a security group, and then I'm going to do that by typing EC2 in the search bar. I'm selecting EC2, and then I'm scrolling, checking the left side to see if I'll see security group. I'm clicking on that. I'm creating a security group. I'm going to add 3 rules. Okay, we can add 2, but I prefer to add 3. So I'm calling it Penti dash SSG. Okay, you can give it any name of your choice. And then I'm duplicating this name. I'm copying that. I'm pasting it in the description section. You can give it any description of your choice. I'm adding a rule. The first rule is SSH. Okay, I'm expecting it from my custom IP, so I'm selecting my IP. If you are selecting it from anywhere or you want to SSH from anywhere with any laptop at all, just select anywhere IPv4. But I want to SSH with only my laptop, so I'm doing my IP. Yes, that's added. I'm adding another rule, and then I'm selecting HTTPS. I'm expecting it from anywhere IPv4. Okay, I don't have to do anything here again. So I go to HTTP is right here. So yes, I'm also expecting that from anywhere IPv4. Yes, I'm done. So I'm creating the security group, and then I'm going back to my EC2 page to create my instance. Okay, so I'm clicking on launch instance. I'm clicking on launch instance. I'm giving the instance name Jos dash Penti. Okay, and then I'm selecting an AMI. I want to use Amazon Linux. Okay, I can decide to use any of the distributions, but I'm using Amazon Linux. If you are following this critically, also use Amazon Linux so you have an idea of how the project is going to be. You follow along with what I'm doing. Okay, I'm creating a key pair because I don't have one. So I'm creating a key pair that will allow us to SSH into the instance. Okay, because it is a key pair we will use to SSH. I'm going to use OpenSSH, so I'm leaving it on OpenSSH, and I'm giving it a name as key okay, so yes, I'm naming it -9. You can give it any name of your choice and then create the key pair. The key pair has been downloaded to my system. Now I'm going back. I have a security group already, so I'm selecting select existing security group, and I'm clicking on that. I'm coming to the security group session, and then I'm selecting my security group, Penti SSG. Okay, you saw it right. So I'm selecting that. Okay, storage configuration. I'm making this 15. 15 is okay for me. You can use 8, you can use 10. 15 is okay for me. I'm launching my instance now. So my instance has been launched. Now I want to, yes, I want to SSH into my instance. So let me get that. I can write the command to SSH, but I don't want to. I'm just clicking here, clicking on connect, and then I'm coming to the SSH clients. I'm scrolling down to copy this, okay, and then I'm opening my get bash terminal. I'm opening my get bash terminal, and then copying my git bash terminal. I'm pasting this. I'm hitting enter. Okay. Yes. So I'm typing yes. It's asking if I want to add the host to the known device. Yes. So yes. Oh, sorry. Yes. Permission denied because we are supposed to navigate to the download folder. So what do I do? Let me cd into my downloads. That is where my key pair is. Okay, downloads, hit enter. Yes, we are now in the download folder. You can see it right here. Okay, so I'm pasting the command once again. Oh, I should have known this is what will happen. Let me copy that once again, the command to SSH. I'm coming back to my git bash. I'm pasting this. I'm hitting enter. Okay. Yes, so I'm waiting. Yes, now we have logged in. Because I've already added it to my known host, it didn't ask me again if I want to, but if yours didn't, try to accept it by typing yes or no. Okay. Yes, so I'm in my instance now. So the first thing to do is I'm clearing my screen by typing clear. I'm using clear to clear my screen. Okay. And then I have to install a web server. Okay. This is a virtual server, but also I have to install what will serve the content. Okay. So I do that by, I don't want to be running sudo all the time. So I'm switching user to root user. By doing that, I'm typing sudo and then sudo switch user. So I've switched user. You can see that it has turned from EC2 user towards a root user. So I now have privileges. Okay. So I'm clearing my screen once again by typing clear. Sorry, I've typed that wrongly. It's a typo. Yes, screen is cleared now. Now I want to install the HTTPD. So I am typing yum install HTTPD. Hit enter. I was supposed to add Y, so they don't ask me if, but unfortunately I didn't. Yes. So I'm typing Y, hitting enter. Yes. Making sure that it's installing. Yes, installation is complete now. Now I'm clearing my screen. No, let me not clear it now. Let me check if it's indeed installed and it's running. So let me check by doing that. I'm typing system. Let me type system ctl status httpd, hit enter. Yes, it's installed, but they are telling me that it's inactive. You can see it here. It's inactive. It's dead. Okay. So I'm in this mode. I'm clicking Control plus C to exit out of this mode. I'm clicking Control plus C again. All right. I'm trying to start my system. That is my HTTPD. So I'm running system. Sorry. System ctl start httpd, hit enter. Yes, so I'm going to check again by running system ctl status httpd, hit enter. Yes, you can see it here that it's now active. Okay. Yes, but I don't want each and any time I restart my server, I don't want to go back and then be doing system starts, all those things again. So yes, if it goes into this mode, your terminal goes into this mode, just click Control plus C again, and then you are good to go. Control plus C. Oh, sorry. Control plus C. Yes. Control plus C. You should be good to go. So I'm going to enable the Apache web server to be able to start on its own whenever the system is rebooted. Okay, so I'm doing that by running system ctl enable httpd hitting enter. Yes, the system has been enabled. Now it will be able to start and stop on its own. Okay, so I'm done now. The web server is responding, it's waiting for our content. So I'm clearing the screen by typing clear. Okay, so what do I do next? I am going to give it a content to deliver. Okay, so by doing that, I'm going to cd into my root directory by typing cd slash, hitting enter. Okay, all right. Hold on for just a second. Yes. Okay. So let me run LX to see. Yes, what I'm looking for is exactly here. I'm looking for VAR because we have changed directory to what? To the root directory. It's there. So I'm cding cd var. I'm hitting enter. I'm running LX. I should see www. Yes, I'm cding cd space www. I'm hitting enter. Yes, I'm now in the www. When I run ls, I should see HTML. Yes, it's right there. So I'm seeding HTML. I mean, this is the longest way, but it is the simplest way for people who are from the non-tech background. I mean, you have an idea of what is happening. Okay. So I'm running ls again, and then there is nothing in the folder because I've cd into the HTML directory. Okay. Now I'm going to create a file in the directory called index.html. That is where we will put our content and then it will show on the website. Okay. So let me just type index. No, I'm going to use a text editor. So let me do nano. Oh, nano help. No, let me not use nano. Let me use Vim. Okay. Vim index.html. Okay. I'm hitting enter. Yes, it has opened this nano in a command mode. So I'm in the command mode. I'm typing I'm pressing I. Okay, when I press I to go into the insert mode, you can see that they've written insert mode here. It means it's ready for a command. So I'm going to copy a simple HTML page here. I'm copying that. Now I'm changing this to my name, the full name. I'm changing it to my name before copying. I'm doing Penty Joseph. Sorry about that. Joseph PH. Okay. Yes. And then my email, I'm just going to use a random email. I'm just going to say Penty at gmail.com. You can replace that with your actual email. I'm copying all of this and then going back to my gates because I'm in the insert mode. By pressing the I'm in the set mode. Okay, so if I want to leave here, I'll just press escape, but currently I want to be here and push the file. Okay, so I've selected that and pasting the file that I copied earlier on. Now I've pasted this. I want to leave here, so I'm pressing escape and then shift and then this sign, okay, WQ, and this. So look at the down here. This is the command that you type when you press shift. You hold it, you type this sign and this W, this Q. Okay, W will save it. Um, Q will quit the file, the test editor. This sign exclamation will force quit it in case it doesn't want to what quit. Okay, it will force quit it. All right. So I'm done. I'm hitting enter. Yes, it has exit out of the terminal. Now, if I go back to my instance, which is running, I go to the instance and then I copy the instance ID, the IPv4, the public one. If I copy it like this, don't copy the private, it wouldn't work. So copy the public one like this and then open the web page. It should work. Okay, so you can see our content, what we wrote, created by Penty Joseph, email pentypenty@gmail.com. Oh, I made a mistake, but that's just by the way. Okay, yes. So this is how you can simply create an EC2 instance and deploy a website on it. Okay, you copy your IPv4 address, the public one, you paste it in the browser, and then hit enter. It should open the website like this. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you guys for coming around. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Try to go through this, make sure you understand it well before you try to deploy a website on EC2. Okay. Thank you very much. See you next time.